Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download photos and videos from Google Photos step by step. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, Android, or iPhone, this guide will help you save your memories safely to your device. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com or launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device. If you're not already signed in, enter your Google account credentials and log in. After signing in, you'll see your Google Photos library. This page contains all of your backed up photos and videos. Scroll through your library or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the photo or video you want to download. Once you found the photo, click on it to open it in full screen. In the upper right corner, click the three-dot menu to open more options. From the list, click Download. Google Photos will immediately start downloading the selected photo or video to your device. If you're using a Windows computer, the downloaded file will usually be saved in your Downloads folder unless you've changed your browser's download location. Open the Downloads folder to make sure your file has been downloaded successfully. Now let's see how to download multiple photos at once. Return to your Google Photos library and select several photos by holding the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each image. After selecting the photos, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Download. Google Photos will prepare your selected files and download them as a zip file. After the download is complete, extract the zip file to access your photos. If you want to download an entire album, click Albums from the left sidebar and open the album you want to save. Click the three-dot menu, then choose Download All. Google Photos will create a zip file containing every photo and video in that album. Downloading your photos regularly is a great way to create a local backup, free up cloud storage, or transfer your memories to another device. It's also useful if you're moving to a new computer or simply want an offline copy of your important pictures. And that's how to download photos and videos from Google Photos in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.